Hello, it's Floletics 5 minutes. Mat Pilates. We will be practicing side to side today. Lying down, find a neutral pelvis. The hip bones and pubic bone are level. Gently wrap the ribs toward the pelvis. Bring the knees together and the feet together. Arms long to a V position for support. Inhale to prepare. Exhale, gently tilt the pelvis to the right. Keep both knees glued together. Let the pelvis initiate the movement. The knees just follow. Back to center. Roll to the left, lengthening the opposite arms to help your stability. Feel the back lengthen and let the scapulars stay on the ground. A few more like this. Notice if one knee stays behind the other. Try to keep them aligned. Feel the waist and lower back gently lengthening, the quadratus lumborum releasing, the whole lateral chain opening from hip to ribs. Let the breath guide the movement. Inhale as you rotate out. Exhale, return. Like wringing a cloth slowly, each repetition encouraging the fascia to hydrate and soften. Finish this last one and return to center. We will now bring the legs up to tabletop. One leg at a time. Again, knees are glued. Inhale, rotate. Exhale, return. Each repetition, the range will change slightly as the lateral chain is receiving a message that it is safe to release. The knees are a pendulum, swinging slowly from side to side, finding their own rhythm. Let the breath traveling sideways into the lengthening waist. Use the pelvis to rotate back in. Feel the obliques drawing it home. Check if both shoulders are still on the mat. Try to keep them heavy throughout. One more, each side. Inhale out. Exhale in. Return. Your next one, rotate to your right and extend the top leg out. Bend the knee and return back in. The upper body stays wide and heavy. Collarbones broad. Lengthen the top leg out from the hip, femur lengthening out of the socket. Only go as far as you can with control. Extend, bend back in, and rotate in. You can make the range bigger as long as the shoulders stay down. Rotate, extend. Keep going. Feel the demand increase the moment the knee straightens. The lever arm gets longer. Again, the shoulders are not invited, so stay heavy. Shoot the legs long, energy traveling all the way through to the toes. Keep your awareness with the breath. Breathe into the side ribs. Feel the rib cage expanding sideways. Last one. Return for our last variation. Double leg extension. From tabletop, rotate, extend both legs and find that diagonal. Bend the knees back in and derotate. Again, pelvis leads, legs follow. The other side, extend out long. Bend back in and derotate. This exercise is so good to release the lower back tension, activating the core, adding some spinal rotation, and encouraging the breath to travel into places it rarely reaches. All right, just one more each side. I hope you're already feeling a little more freedom through the hips and a little less tension in the lower back. Extend, bend back in. Slowly return. Lower the legs and good job. Thanks for watching.